Passport, please. Peter, are the passports in your pocket? I told you put them in your palm. No, I have a pen, a podcast, a map, a spoon, some pictures. Check your pocket. I have a pencil, some stamp, an envelope, some pennies. Please stop talking everything out of your pocket. You probably put them in the plastic bag. Here's cup, an apple, paper plate, some present, a newspaper. Peter, stop pulling everything out of the plastic bag. People are getting impatient. Please help me. Help put the thing back in the plastic bag. We have a problem. We can't find our passports. Let the other passenger pass, please.